So it's Mr. King, and on today now. Last week I made a last month I made a quick edit video called Back with Socks the Cat Part 8, and until now I never tested deep cleaning a dryer. So we're just gonna have to deal. Let's deep clean our dryer with this vacuum cleaner. I don't pretty much. Alright, so the power button's on the Android. Not this one, was just lift away. I'm just gonna lift away the power. I don't like to. I'm just gonna have to turn this unit on.
Turn it on.
Come on, guys. Come on! Let me get my microphone real quick. I'm going to eat one Pringle.
Does it work? More or less.
Now let's go empty the dirt tank. This sleeps in the maximum. That's a lot of dirt. Look in here. There's a lot of dirt that was in the water tube. I'm gonna have to empty that. I did all the stuff with my LG Sensor Dry. My LG Sensor Dry was always about dirty enough. Hey, what does it have that? Let me see. It's just a nail sticker and it still works. Because you're right. Do it, someone. Just empty it. Empty it. Can you throw the dirt? That's a lot of damage. So subscribe for more videos, and I hope you like this video.